Assalamu alaikum students, and today we will discuss about the stomata practical. Okay, today we will observe stomata of monocot and dicot leaves, but we will focus more on dicot leaves. As you all know that the major role of stomata is to facilitate the gas exchange. They also facilitate transpiration, which helps the absorption of water from the soil and the transport of water through the xylem. The size of stomata is controlled by pair of guard cells. The main difference between the stomata of monocot and dicot plants is that the guard cell of monocot is a dumbbell shape, whereas the guard cells of dicots are the bean shaped. The number of stomata on the upper and lower surface of the leaf is equal in case of monocot leaves, whereas dicot leaves contain more stomata on the lower surface than the upper surface. So the material required for this experiment are a dicot plant leaves, a forceps needle, watch glasses, glass a slice, cover slip, a dropper, a brush, a blotting paper, a safranine used as a dye, glycerin, and a compound microscope. So let's start. First of all, take water and safranine in watch glasses or petri plates. Then tear leaf into two pieces as you can see in the picture. After that, peel the lower epidermis layer slowly. Why? Because we are dealing with dicot leaves. Okay. Then take a water brush, handle and straight the layer with brush. Then cut the layer with razor. After that, keep the peel in a watch glass containing safranine dye. After 2 to 3 minutes, take out the peel and place it in a water to remove the excess dye. Place a drop of glycerin on slide. After washing with water, place a layer on a slide containing glycerin and place a clean cover slip gently to remove air bubble. Fix the slide and observe the slide under the low power and high power magnification, the compound microscope. As you can see in the picture, stomata are present in the epidermal cells of the lower surface of the leaf. Many small pores, these pores are actually stomata, are seen scattered among the epidermal cells. Each pore is guarded by two bean-shaped guard cells. Precautions: take care to prevent the peel from drying by using glycerin. Always place the peel at the center of the slide and hold the slide at the edges. Do not overstain or understain the peel. Always handle the peel with a brush as a needle may damage the cell surface. Place the cover slip gently, avoiding any air bubble. Remove excess stain and glycerin with the help of blotting paper. This is all about the procedure of stomata observation under microscope. Thank you.